After the rain today, it felt like a great vibration to share. A great vibration to tune in to the natural order of things, the natural vibe after a cleansing. When it rains, during the rain, amongst the rain, the earth sustains a cleansing. To tune into that vibe, we can sustain a cleansing of our aura, a cleansing of our state of mind, our state of being, a transmutation of negativity, a transmutation of anxiety. It's the calm it's the peace that restores us. It's the calm, it's the peace after the rain that restores us. It's the transmutation during the rain and the calm, the peace that creates space for the things that are for us, the things that are at the seat, the heart of us as individuals, as beings in need. Because we all are on a journey learning to harness, harvest, manifest the things that we need through the power of our own being, in our own being. And we can attain this through calm, through peace. It's through these vibrations that we're able to receive what it is that's for us, destined for us as kings and queens, as gods and goddesses. We get out of our own way. We bring our vibration to kneel, bring our vibration to nature to receive the things that are at the heart, at the seat of our desire. It's through the focus of our breath. It's through the focus of our intention. Focusing our attention on our breath, we can achieve calm. Through focus, we can achieve peace. It's only through these vibrations that we remove the distractions. It's these distractions that prevent us from being in the now. And only in the now are you able to receive what is destined for us as kings, for for us as queens, it's for us as royalty. Through a vibration, alleviated of a distraction, are we able to receive what's destined for us as an individual. Through a series of focus, a series of intention setting, set our intentions to release the things no longer serving us and make space for the things that are for us. Being in nature, we can dial our vibration to that of nature, to that of the natural destiny of us as an individual, as a human being, as an ancient body, an ancient vibration. Through peace, through calm, through breath, attention to breath, attention to your intentions. You can set an intention to be like the tree, to connect with nature, to be calm, to find peace, to receive the things that are for us, to quiet the distractions through our breath. And through that ceremony, through those intentions, to find the things that are destined